Today we're going to talk about my journey of keto and breastfeeding. Hey guys, I'm Julie and I'm a ketogenic health coach, and I specialize in working with breastfeeding mamas to help them lose the baby weight all without losing their milk supply. And I'm the CEO and founder of the Keto Breastfeeding Method. So today I'm going to talk to you about my journey of doing keto and breastfeeding and how I got started. So my story goes a little further back. I have 3 little ones right now, and my health journey started when I was postpartum with my second little guy. I was dealing with postpartum anxiety so badly. I was feeling frustrated with the way I look. I just wasn't feeling very well and had no energy at all. I ended up having to stop breastfeeding him a little early, but I knew I had to start feeling better. So I made it my mission. I tried Whole30, clean eating, and tons of other little things, but I just wasn't feeling like myself. Then I found the game changer, and that was keto. So I became a keto health coach, and I started helping other mamas start feeling amazing as well. Then I found out I was pregnant with my 3rd little guy. Then I thought, what better than doing the keto diet while I was pregnant? But my body had different plans. I was sick the entire time, and saltines were the best I could do most days. And we all know that isn't keto. So I made it a mission to figure out how I was going to start the keto diet when I started breastfeeding my little guy and when I could start feeling better and actually eat again. So I went online and found out that there wasn't a lot of information out there. And you guys probably have experienced this as well. So I dug a little deeper, did tons of research, and talked to other experts. Then I came out with a game plan of what I was going to do when I was done being pregnant and was breastfeeding him. So I had my little guy, and I waited until my milk supply was fully stable, and I set out in the path I laid out beforehand, and it worked. My milk supply was actually increasing, I was going into ketosis, and the weight loss was going without affecting my milk supply. So I knew I had to share what I learned, and that's when the Keto Breastfeeding Method was born. And since then, I'd helped over 500 mamas start losing the baby weight with the keto diet. But I did find out that the keto diet while breastfeeding needs to be done differently than when we aren't breastfeeding. So I wanted to create this YouTube channel to answer all the questions you have about keto and breastfeeding. So let me know below. Let me know what top questions you have about how to do the keto diet while breastfeeding, and I'll get back to answer them for you. I'm excited to read your comments, so again, let me know what questions you have, and thanks for watching, you guys.